Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how you can easily connect Google Sheets to ConvertKit for free and without coding. I'll show you the case for automatically adding a subscriber to ConvertKit when contact's email is added or updated on Google Sheets, but there are lots of other variants. In this guide you'll see how it works, and then you can configure the integration according to your needs. I'll do it with the help of the Apiway. Apiway is a free integration platform where you can find appropriate B2B software and integrate it with each other. And you don't have to pay or do any coding. Why is it free? Well, the service charges money from software vendors and promote them in the software marketplace. That's why Apiway is free and has no limits for end users. Let's move on to the integration. First, you need to sign up on Apiway website. After you've done this, go to the tab Integrations and add Google Sheets and ConvertKit. Then go to My Apps and connect them. Let's start with Google Sheets. Click the button Plug, then the button Connect. On this page, you should choose which account you want to connect. Next, click the button Allow. It returns you to Apiway, and if you see this green text, Google is successfully connected. Now let's connect ConvertKit. Click this button and you will see a field. Here you should input your API secret. You can find this information on the ConvertKit website. Click here and go to Account Settings. And here you will find your API key and API secret. You need only the second one. Copy it to the field on Apiway website and click the button Connect. Now both services are attached and we can start to configure the integration. I've created a spreadsheet in advance, and here I have 3 columns: name, email and phone number. And there's a user without email. Our task is to send the data to ConvertKit when email is added. I return to the Apiway and now we should create a way. You can give it the name which you need. For example, Google and ConvertKit. It will be easier to find it later. Next, you should specify the trigger. Here choose Google Sheets. Then set a new or updated spreadsheet row as a trigger for the action. Next, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet that you need. And here you can specify in what column changes should be done. As I said previously, I choose email. After that, click Update Available Fields. And it shows you fields that you have in your spreadsheet. As you can see, they correspond to the columns: name, email, phone number. Now let's set up an action. Choose a service here. In our case, it is ConvertKit. And here you can see lots of variants of action. Let's choose Add Subscriber to Form. After that, test the connection and update available fields. And it shows you fields which you have in Contact's personal info on ConvertKit website. Choose to what form you want to add the subscriber, then click the plus sign and choose name for name, email for email, and so on. Then click Test and Activate. If you want to edit this way, you can find it in the tab My Ways, deactivate it, and change everything you need. But don't forget to activate it again. Now I add an email to an empty field. Please keep in mind that transmission of the data may take a little time. Sometimes it comes immediately, sometimes you have to wait for a while. The time of waiting is up to 30 minutes according to Google rules. Now I'll go to ConvertKit website. I go to Subscribers and wait. And you can see that I've already received the data. Name, email, phone number. The integration is working. Using Apiway, you can make integration and automate your work without any problems. And of course, don't forget to go to the Apiway website, look through the categories, choose appropriate software for you, and improve your business process.